The biggest thing about Patrick, and for those that are fortunate enough to know him well, or even Ashley, is just both of them are just so selfless. I mean, that's the number one thing I can think of when I think of each of them, is how selfless they are.
And Patrick, it was clear from the very beginning how much you care about Ashley. One thing I love about you is your unwavering positivity and the way you always seem to find the good in any situation. I don't think I've ever seen Patrick without a smile on his face.
Flashing back in time, 1,205 days ago, in June of 2021, I was brought in on a day full of activities with friends, from golf in the mountains to a Charlotte Knights baseball game uptown to going out that night in South End. If you know me, this would be categorized as doing a lot in one day, but it turned out to be the biggest blessing of my life.
I try not to.
I love you.
I love you. He's so beautiful. He's going to be so pleased. Don't cry.
I know.
Don't cry.
You look handsome.
I love that dress.
I love you.
It's beautiful.
Oh yeah. Love you.
Thank you. I love you too, sweetheart. Can't wait for this to happen.
To my dearest Rick, today is the day I stand before you as I become your wife. As I look back on our relationship, I can confidently say that the Lord first showed favor over us the night we met. Today and every day, I vow to honor the Lord in our relationship, protect your heart, and never stop growing together. I promise to be your stronghold in the darkness, the wind in your sails, and your very best friend until we're called home.
Wick, you brought so much joy to her. I've never seen her this happy, and I appreciate that. Constantly talking about you, and one of the most important things that impressed me and Maria was your old school ways. Always opening the door for her, always putting her first.
Life with you, Ashley, is all I have ever wanted. You pushed me to be the best man in the world, and your love is the most special thing I've ever had the pleasure of knowing all my life. Ashley, you are the woman of my dreams, brought into reality, and I can't believe that I'm standing here about to start on this wonderful journey together with my best friend and person that I love the most in this world.
When the world we fell,
I know that I am not perfect, but I will love you perfectly. No matter the obstacles that we may face, I know that together we offer a safe harbor and a lighthouse for our family and friends to find peace in Christ, and I vow to never take you for granted.
We are here today, gathered to celebrate the union of these two complementing gifts. We're here to worship the gift giver. And we're here because Patrick and Ashley have asked you all to hold them accountable to the vows they're making before God today.
in the evergreen, when the colors fade, I know
From your piercing blue eyes, I was hooked and never wanted to leave your side. I, Patrick, stand here today, the luckiest man in the world, ready to take you, Ashley, to be my wife. my best friend, my confidant, and partner for life.
It's the in-between moments that capture your love for me in an often unspoken way. If this is the best to come, I've got everything I need. I love you.
I love you.
You know, you're not the first person to say "at long last" to the side of your bride. A long time ago, Adam saw Eve for the very first time and exclaimed, "At long last, bone of my bone, flesh of my flesh." By the authority invested in me as minister of the gospel, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Yeah. Oh.
Sorry, you didn't drop me.
Hey, we got her. Oh, that was very sweet.
Yeah, I love you. We're husband and wife.
We're waiting. Woo!